Here we've got iPad Air from 2020, and let me show you how to check your iPad storage. So at first, just open the settings, then go to the general, and now locate iPad storage. Click on it, and here you've got it. So you've got the space that is in use, also the memory that has left. Here, if you'll scroll a bit lower, you'll be able to check each app and how heavy it is, how much space it's taken by some particular app. And this is how you can check it. So here you've got it grouped into categories, so you can find detailed info right in front of you. And basically that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.